for SEE preparation. Unit 3, Honey Bee. Group A, Multiple Choice Questions, MCQ. 1. Which phylum does honey bee lie? A. Annelida. B. Arthropoda. C. Chordata. D. Mollusca.
Correct answer. B. Arthropoda.
2. What is called the science that deals with the study of honey bees? A. Biology. B. Apicology. C. Melitology. D. Apiculture.
Correct answer. B. Apicology.
3. Why is honey bee kept in phylum Arthropoda? A. It lays eggs. B. It produces honey. C. Jointed legs are found in its body. D. It is a social insect.
Correct answer. C. Jointed legs are found in its body.
4. What is the function of the antenna found in the head of honey bee? A. To make honey bee. To know about the change in environment. C. To collect pollens. D. To search food.
Correct answer. B. To know about the change in environment.
5. Identify the queen bee on the basis of the characteristics given. A. Small and round head, largest and elongated body. B. Medium-sized body, black and hairy. C. Smallest body, chewing and lapping mouth. D. Having pollen basket in legs, no poison glands. Correct answer. A. Small and round head, largest and elongated body. 6. What is shown in the given figure? A. Drone bee. B. Worker bee. C. Larva of honey bee. D. Queen bee.
Correct answer. D. Queen bee.
7. What is the major function of queen bee? A. To lay eggs. B. To control hive. C. To fight with enemy. D. To produce honey.
Correct answer. A. To lay eggs. B. To control hive.
8. Which stage of the life cycle of honey bee is shown in the given figure? A. Egg. B. Larva. C. Pupa. D. Adult.
Correct answer. B. Larva.
9. Identify drone bee on the basis of the given features. A. Fertile, hairy, medium-sized, haploid. B. Sterile, hairy, medium-sized, diploid. C. Sterile, smooth, smallest, diploid. D. Fertile, hairy, largest, haploid.
Correct answer. A. Fertile, hairy, medium-sized, haploid.
10. What is the number of worker bees in a hive? A. 10,000 to 20,000. B. 30, 000 to 50,000. C. 20,000 to 80,000. D. 50,000 to 80,000.
Correct answer. C. 20,000 to 80,000.
11. In which of the following conditions is a queen bee developed? U. A. Take royal jelly for the first 3 days. B. Take royal jelly throughout the larval period. C. Take royal jelly for the first 4 days. D. Take royal jelly throughout the pupal period.
Correct answer. B. Take royal jelly throughout the larval period.
12. Which of the following part of the body of honey bee contain pollen basket? A. Head. B. Thorax. C. Abdomen. D. Leg.
Correct answer. D. Legs.
13. Which of the following is the characteristic of the drone bee? A. Haploid, fertile, medium-sized, hairy. C. Diploid, sterile, medium-sized, hairy. B. Diploid, sterile, medium-sized, smooth. D. Diploid, fertile, medium-sized, hairy.
Correct answer. A. Haploid, fertile, medium-sized, hairy.
14. From where is royal jelly produced? A. From the gland at the head of queen bee. B. From the salivary gland of worker. C. From the gland at the head of worker bee. D. From the gland at the head of drone.
Correct answer. C. From the gland at the head of worker bee.
15. Which one of following honeybee survive for longer duration? A. Worker. B. Queen. C. Drone. D. Worker and drone.
Correct answer. B. Queen.
16. Which of the insect called social insect? A. Fly. B. Mosquito. C. Honeybee. D. Cockroach.
Correct answer. C. Honeybee.
17. What is the duration of egg of honeybee? A. 6 days. B. 3 days. C. 12 days. D. 21 days.
Correct answer. B. 3 days.
18. The drones in the colony of honeybees are A. Sterile female. B. Fertile female. C. Sterile female. D. Fertile male.
Correct answer. D. Fertile male.
19. A queen honeybee lives for A. About 1 to 2 years. B. About 6 weeks. C. About 24 weeks. D. About 5 years.
Correct answer. A. About 1 to 2 years.
20. Honeybees are important for A. Honey. B. Wax. C. Pollination. D. All of them.
Correct answer. D. All of them.
21. How much honey can a single bee make in the lifespan? A. About 1 to 12 teaspoon. B. 1 teaspoon. C. 1 to 2 teaspoon. D. 1 to 4 teaspoon.
Correct answer. A. About 1 to 12 teaspoon.
22. A honey bee helps in pollination. A. Cross. B. Self. C. Both. D. None of them.
Correct answer. C. Both.
23. Which is the biggest a honey bee? A. Queen. B. Drone. C. Worker. D. None of them.
Correct answer. A. Queen.
24. What is produced by a honey bee to provide nutrition to the larva? A. Honey. B. Wax. C. Royal jelly. D. All of them.
Correct answer. C. Royal gel.
25. Which honeybee feeds on royal jelly only? A. Queen. B. Drone. C. Worker. D. All of them.
Correct answer. A. Queen.
26 of honeybee help in detecting sound, smell, and tastes. A. Proboscis. B. Antennae. C. Compound eyes. D. Wings.
Correct answer. B. Antennae.
27. Is the fertile female in the colony of honeybees? A. Drone bee. B. Workers bee. C. Queen bee. D. Wasp.
Correct answer. C. Queen bee.
28. Worker bee. A. Diploid, sterile female. B. Haploid, sterile male. C. Diploid, fertile female. D. Haploid, fertile male.
Correct answer. A. Diploid, sterile female.
29. In the life cycle of honeybee, is voracious feeder in nature? A. Egg. B. Larva. C. Pupa. D. Adult.
Correct answer. B. Larva.
30. Whom is the royal jelly especially feed to? A. Drone bees. B. Worker bee. C. Queen bees. D. All the bee of colony.
Correct answer. C. Queen bees.
31. Which of the following is not related to honey bee? A. Bee bread. B. Wax. C. Silk. D. Royal jelly.
Correct answer. C. Silk.
32. How many morphologically different bee live in hive? A. 2. B. 1. C. 3. D. 4.
Correct answer. C. 3.
33. How many chromosomes are present in the drone bee? A. 16 chromosomes. B. 16 pair chromosome. C. 32 chromosomes. D. 8 pairs.
Correct answer. A. 16 chromosomes.
34. In which stage does a honey bee produce honey? A. Pupa. B. Adult. C. Egg. D. Larva.
Correct answer. B. Adult.
35. Which of the following is the work of drones bee? A. To keep the hive warm. B. To fertilize the queen bee. C. Both A and B. D. None of above.
Correct answer. C. Both A and B.
36. In which parts of the body of honey bee wax gland and sting present? A. Head. B. Thorax. C. Abdomen. D. All of the above.
Correct answer. C. Abdomen.
37. In which class of Animalia kingdom the honey bee lies? A. Insecta. B. Reptilia. C. Aves. D. None of above.
Correct answer. A. Insecta.
38. Which bee contains only 16 chromosomes? A. Worker bee. B. Queen bee. C. Drone bee. D. Queen and worker bee.
Correct answer. D. Queen and worker bee.
39. Where does the queen bee store the sperms received from the drone bee after the nuptial flight? A. Ovary. B. Pollen sac. C. Sperm sac. D. Egg sac.
Correct answer. C. Sperm sac.
40. Which of the following pairs is correct? Age of worker bee. Functions. P1 to 3 days. 1. Production of royal jelly. Q. 4 to 6 days. 2. Cleaning of hive. R. 7 to 11 days. 3. Development of wax gland. S. 12 to 17 days. 4. Feeding of honey and honey bread to larva. A. P to Q3 R 4 S 1. B. P to Q4 R 3 S 1. C. P to Q3 R 1 S 4. D. P to Q4 R 1 S 3.
Correct answer. D. P to Q4 R1 S3.
41. The three main body parts of a honey bee includes A. Head, thorax and abdomen. B. Wings, legs and antennae. C. Stinger, compound eyes and spiracles. D. All of the above.
Correct answer. A head, thorax, and abdomen.
42. Which caste in a honey bee colony is responsible for collecting nectar and pollen? A. Queen bee. B. Drone bee. C. Worker bee. D. Soldier bee.
Correct answer. C. Worker bee.
43. Which caste in a honey bee colony has the shortest lifespan? A. Queen bee. B. Drone bee. C. Worker bee. D. Soldier bee.
Correct answer. B. Drone bee.
44. Which caste in a honey bee colony is responsible for mating with the queen? A. Queen bee. B. Drone bee. C. Worker bee. D. Soldier bee.
Correct answer. B. Drone bee.
45. The order of the honey bee life cycle stages is A. Egg, larva, pupa, and adult. B. Larva, egg, adult, and pupa. C. Adult, egg, pupa, and larva. D. Pupa, egg, larva, and adult.
Correct answer. A. Egg, larva, pupa, and adult.
46. The importance of honey bees includes A. Pollination of plants. B. Production of honey and wax. C. Maintenance of biodiversity. D. All of the above.
Correct answer. D. All of the above.
47. How many types of honey bee are there on the basis of work division? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5.
Correct answer. B. 3.
48. Which honey bee is formed when its larvae is fed on royal jelly only? A. Queen bee. B. Drone bee. C. Worker bee. D. Both B and D.
Correct answer. A. Queen bee.
48. How many chromosomes are present in eggs of honey bee if eggs are not fertilized? A. 8. B. 16. C. 30. D. 40.
Correct answer. B. 16.
49. How many eyes does a bee have? A. 6. B. 5. C. 8. D. 12.
Correct answer. B. 5.
50. How many days the worker bee start to make wax and hive? A. 3 to 6 days. B. 8 to 16 days. C. 12 to 18 days. D. 20 to 24 days.
Correct answer. C. 12 to 18 days.
51. Which of the following honey bees has a diploid number of chromosomes? A. Drone bee. B. Worker bee. C. Queen bee. D. Queen bee and worker bee.
Correct answer. D. Queen bee and worker bee.
52. It takes days to form queen bee from the egg stage. A. 16. B. 21. C. 23.5. D. 18.
Correct answer. A. 16.
53. Which of the following are the features of queen bee? A. Haploid, fertile, feeds royal jelly. B. Diploid, fertile, controller of hive. C. Diploid, sterile, feeds royal jelly. D. Haploid, male, sterile.
Correct answer. B. Diploid, fertile, controller of hive.
54. Why is the honey bee called a social insect? A. It produces honey bee. It helps in pollination in plants. C. It lives in a colony. D. It is a domesticated insect.
Correct answer. C. It lives in a colony.
55. How is a drone bee born? A. From parthenogenesis. B. From fertilization. C. From sporulation. D. From metamorphosis.
Correct answer. A. From parthenogenesis.
56. Why cannot drone bees eat the nectar of flowers? A. They do not have pollen basket. B. They have underdeveloped proboscis. C. They cannot smell flower. D. They cannot chew pollen grain.
Correct answer. B. They have underdeveloped proboscis.
57. Which are the features of the worker bee? A. Smallest, fertile, haploid. B. Infertile, largest, diploid. C. Infertile, smallest, diploid. D. Fertile, diploid, medium.
Correct answer. B. Infertile, largest, diploid.
58. The life cycle of a bee has complete metamorphosis. What does it mean? A. Histogenesis occurs in pupa stage. B. Metamorphosis takes place in every pupa. C. Life cycle of bee has 4 clear stages. D. Life cycle of bee completes in 4 months.
Correct answer. C. Life cycle of bee has 4 clear stages.
59. What is the function of a worker bee aged 5 days? A. Clean hives. B. Collect nectar. C. Produce royal jelly. D. Nurse the larva.
Correct answer. D. Nurse the larva.
60. Which bees of the hive are fertile? A. All honey bees. B. Queen and worker bee. C. Drone and worker bee. D. Drone and queen bee.
Correct answer. D. Drone and queen bee.
61. How long it takes for an unfertilized egg to change into a drone? A. 24 days. B. 16 days. C. 2 years. D. 21 days.
Correct answer. A. 24 days.
62. How long worker bee lives? A. 6 weeks to 6 months. B. 2 years to 5 years. C. About 2 months. D. 2 months.
Correct answer. B. 2 years to 5 years.
63. Why do drones die after mating? A. Tearing of tissue of abdomen. B. Could not eat nectar of flower. C. Exiled from hive. D. Bitten to death by queen bee.
Correct answer. A. Tearing of tissue of abdomen.
64. How is a female larva changed into a queen bee? A. Feed royal jelly to it for 3 days. B. Feed bee bread to it for 3 days. C. Feed nectar to it forever. D. Feed royal jelly to it forever.
Correct answer. D. Feed royal jelly to it forever.